He loves King and Country. I was gonna do some homeschooling after breakfast, but we are waiting on a Love Every box. I think I'm gonna give him a muffin while I change. Gracias, mama. All right, I'm gonna do something quick and easy. I'm gonna do some hyaluronic acid because skincare first. Do a little retinol. Oh my gosh, you guys almost died on me. Okay, let's do the makeup really quick. That was a little bit stressful. The camera kept falling on the sink. I did a little bit of a blow dry, but I'm gonna let the rest of my hair air dry and then we can style it later. I just don't have the time right now because little man is hungry. He's messing with the mop. My hair isn't completely dry in the back. So I didn't do anything crazy in the back. I'm just gonna let it air dry. So right now it's just gonna look like a fluffy mess, but it's okay. It is crazy to me how much your life changes after having a child. Every minute of the day, you're stressed out about something. Everything is a priority. Yes, I'm giving my son waffles, especially in the first half of the day when that happens. ¿Qué pasó, papi? ¿Dónde está tu pantalón? Hold on one sec. Ay, ay, ay. ¿Qué papas? Where was I? From getting ourselves ready to cleaning and the homeschooling, the breakfast, and then the lunch, and I also have work that I have to do. It's a little stressful, but you know what? I have to learn to appreciate the busyness. He really likes these, the mozzarella sticks, cheese heads thingies. Yeah. Está rico, ¿verdad? Gracias, Abba.
Abba. Abba. Abba. Nina.
I'm like sweating. Perfect timing. His Love Every box got here and he wants to read now. So this Love Every box is the helper for 25, 26, and 27 months. I'm excited for this one because this one has like, this one has a sink with dishes.
Okay.
I hope you guys can see me.
Yay. No. Yay.
Okay, so, dame las flores, mi vida. Las flores, allá están las flores. Flowers.
No.
Flores, gracias, deme. Gracias. So these are the felt flowers, and oh my gosh, it's got a lot of supposed to, these are so cute. Aren't these so cute? You're supposed to put them in here in a little hole. Then we have the Anywhere Art Kit. It's got a couple crayons and like paper for them to write on. Let's map it out routine cards. Ooh, we love that. These ones are the drop and match the dot catcher. Muy bien. Verde. Eso. He's gonna love this one.
Yay.
Yay. Azul.
Yay.
Yay. Azul.
No. Yay. Yay.
Yay.
No.
Ajá, muy bien. Azul.
No.
Ese es verde, green. ¿Dónde va green? Ajá, muy. Anyone else use a pen to open boxes? That's my hidden talent. Méteme todos estos, mételos aquí adentro, por favor. Gracias. Is battery all bad? No, eso no vaya adentro. I grabbed a little bit of water because I think I'm gonna need water. He's potty trained, but I had to put a diaper on him because I peed through his pants.
Okay. No.
No. Ah, there it is. Okay.
Yeah?
Click and then.
Wow.
Dale, tú puedes. Dale, dale. Muy bien. Ok, ya. Prende, apaga. On, off. ¿Ok? Sí, dale. Muy bien. That's cute. Potatoes, steamed vegetables, and